Question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then we have to show that angle A is equal to angle B. So for that we have to draw two right triangles, that is APQ and triangle BRS, where we have given cos A is equal to cos B. For that we have cos A. Cos A means base upon hypotenuse. So base is PA upon AQ is equal to cos B. Cos B, that is base upon hypotenuse, that is BR upon BS equal to K. So we have now find out the values of the sides which are not included in this ratio. That is, we have to find out first PQ. So for that, PQ is equal to under root of AQ square minus AQ square minus AP square. So here if we take AP is equal to K into AQ, then it will be under root of AQ square minus, in place of AP we can write K into AQ, that is K square AQ square. So we will take out AQ here, then it will become 1 minus K square, that is equal to PQ. This is your second equation, that is first equation. And again we have to find out SR. SR is equal to under root of BS square minus BR square. Again here we can write BS square minus, in place of BR we can write BS into K. So it will be K square BS square. Now we can take out here BS square, that is BS under root of 1 minus K square, that is equal to SR. This is your third equation. Now take the ratio of second and third. So we have PQ upon SR is equal to AQ into under root of 1 minus K square upon BS into under root of 1 minus K square. So 1 minus K square, 1 minus K square is cancelled out. Now here we have PQ upon SR is equal to AQ upon BS. Now from first equation we have to take here AP upon AQ is equal to BR upon BS. Now we can interchange these terms, then it will become AP upon BR is equal to AQ upon BS. Here this AQ upon BS and AQ upon BS are equal, hence we have PQ upon SR is equal to AQ upon BS is equal to AP upon BR. So all the three sides ratios are equal, then the triangles are similar. So therefore triangle APQ is similar to triangle BRS by SSS property. Therefore angle A is equal to angle B, hence proved.